Hello and welcome back to Crypto Novus News, where I try to bring the top news stories in the day in the world of crypto. Today is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021, and as we can see, it's been somewhat of a red Tuesday. Bitcoin before today was around 52, just a little over 52,500, and it dropped all the way down to 42,900, which was around a 19% drop. We want to kind of take a look as to what's happening in the markets today and to see why this might in fact be the case. As we look at stocks, basically, they're saying as well that the stock market had a red Tuesday, where the Dow Industrial dropped more than 200 points, which was around 0.55%, much less than Bitcoin, and the cryptocurrency market at the and this drop was right at the start, the opening bell. The S&P opened at 0.3% of a loss as well. And we can kind of take a quick look at these losses here in the TradingView chart. This is the S&P 500, where we can see its drop from the early morning on the 7th. Basically starting here, it was right at the start of the day, it was around 45.41, and it dropped all the way down to 45.12. And then the Dow Jones, it was sitting up here at around 35,400, and it dropped almost evenly to 35,000. As we look back at Bitcoin, we can see this 52 to 42, almost 10 grand even, about a little over 19% of a drop. Far more significant than the other two markets. But I think the point is that, the cryptocurrency market does have some correlation to the traditional markets, where whatever seems to be happening sometimes in the traditional stock market could have an impact on crypto. But there's other things happening in the crypto market that could also be impacting this as well. So let's kind of take a look at that. So here we have an article in Cointelegraph that talks about today, El Salvador officially starts using Bitcoin as legal tender. And it just conveniently worked out that there was a large dip in the market on this day, and it enabled basically the president to buy additional Bitcoin. So as we look here closely, it says Bitcoin holders took profits on Tuesday just as El Salvador moved to recognize the digital currency as legal tender in a landmark move that could significantly have implications for global adoption. Bitcoin was around 52.8 on Monday, dropped to 42.9 as we just saw on the charts, with a 19% basically drop overall in less than 24 hours. What this did though, is, as Cointelegraph reported, El Salvador made its first BTC purchase on Tuesday on the eve of this Bitcoin law coming into effect. The initial purchase was 200 BTC, roughly $10.4 million, which then enables El Salvador to have a total of about 550 BTC worth 28.8 million. So I definitely think there's some correlation with this, to be quite frank with you. I think this was somewhat of a manipulation that allowed El Salvador to purchase more BTC to kind of help them along in their process of using this as legal tender. We're definitely going to watch this more closely. There's more to talk about with El Salvador, but just want to quickly give some information as to what has happened in terms of the pricing with Bitcoin, as well as the entire crypto market. You can kind of see here, the market in general has taken a very strong hit. DENTS dropped 25%, ADA dropped 14%, DOTS dropped 19.8%. You've got XRP, it took a hit at about 21%, XLM at 21%. What else we got? Utrust dropped 16%. Engine dropped 20%. Link dropped 20%. Theta dropped as much as 24%. XTC dropped almost 21%. EOS dropped 21%. VeChain dropped 18%. Tron dropped 18%. So it was across the market, everybody took a very, very strong hit. So just wanted to give this piece of information to you and wish you guys the best on your Tuesday, on this Red Tuesday, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. This is Crypto Novus, where newbies become masters.